And one day, Robbie look at me and say, singer, you get your passport and I soon start flying. So I take up my passport and I don't think nothing about a passport.
You just want to sing.
Yeah.
You just want to
sing. And Robbie tell me, say, take up my passport. And it's so ironic, like about 3 weeks ago, I to Japan. And Robbie, me and him a WhatsApp. And I say, yo, it's amazing. I say, you tell me to take up my passport and look at me now. I'm in Japan. I run through numerous Jamaican passport. I run through numerous US passport. You know what I mean? So everything like, each piece is play a role. Everything important, yo. Never you neglect even just a little chip off of the ice. Yeah. You have to appreciate every movement along the way. Every piece is gone.
You didn't have to listen to him and get a passport.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
For real. And I mean a team on a passport and it's so funny, like maybe like about 5-6 months after the man tell me that I fly. My first show was Cayman with me and Ninjaman and Ricky Chopper. First time that I ever fly.
And this was on Jaro?
No, it was Ricky Chopper guys. Like, do you remember that Ricky Chopper was a DJ too, you know? Yeah. So I'm basically go as an artist, you know. Yeah, man. So it was me as a singer, a Ninjaman and Ricky Chopper. And Ninjaman take off him chain and give me a knife and say, I'm me the star. Ninjaman not even, I could have thief that chain, you know. Because I know Ninjaman don't know who him get a chain. Because guess what now? The Air Jamaica used to fly on a Thursday to Cayman. So you don't leave back until, you don't get a next Air Jamaica flight from Cayman until the Monday. So, if you don't have visa to go through the US, you have to wait until Monday. So Ninjaman had a show at Fort Clarence Beach. So he actually left the Sunday morning after the show. So me end up with a chain. Big nice chain, And a couple days before I fly the Thursday and I came back to Jamaica the Monday. And when I let them see me come up with a big chain, I say, yo, one fly, the man rich already, you know what I mean? Get to see. Well, that was Ninjaman chain. Yeah. Ninjaman, I was searching, go find my way a tower, I not even know a tower yet. Yeah. And find my way and give him the chain. Man, Ninjaman, I have no clue, I give him a chain, I go and say, man, I remember. I saw him staying and I'm super kind, man. I always give him stuff then. And I remember about him. Ninjaman, that man.
What was that first show like in Cayman now?
I would say nerve-wracking, but at the same time exciting. Because the first time I fly, I'm actually up on a show, my bill on a show. So it's like nerve-wracking, excited at the same time. But I tell the Ninjaman, I say Ninja are the big star. And him look and say, singer, you are the star tonight.
You that.
And put on the big chain. I feel like, yeah. When I sing the song without me, I'm afraid to the place, I mash up. And no matter what you do, girl, it's over. Here's a mash up. I'm going, never gonna give you up, never gonna be forward. And I said, no, sir. Good vibe, And Ninjaman just come take it. And I think my last song was a Cover Me song called Ninja. So when Ninjaman come in and say, oh, no, you love. Yeah. And we just a vibe and, sound system style, it end up in. Because, and like individual artists, like, we just all a big vibe.
Yeah, come down, sing.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Rhythm drop on the man, say, sing and replace. What the man so we don't want that, like, I'm a childhood dream, because as some say, the night when my teeth I say Burro Banton and Selector Ainsley and Put the Roots, I say, I sleeping one night when the foot, and na, please, I'm watching myself. No, sir. And Burro Banton and the man knows, when the man hold the mic, the man knows look like a shotgun, Them knows, because the man knows big, And over the mic like a shotgun, like a double mouth shot, And the man had shot some rat to the next spot. Them thing then, does some long marathon and he must swing it with Early D, the doctor. Yeah. Early D and DJ, one wheel, wheelie one. And the man had learned for drive and it's like, see it like a movie, because you listen to the man a DJ learn for drive. And the man I tell about every move we're making in the car, every lane, every road where him turn upon. It's like, man, so really, like, it's like Siri, before Siri. Google. Yeah, Google before Google, man, for real. Yeah, man. This is that man I tell about him take it for my own drive and wait till the mother talk about stuff. I say, So, me just, them thing that like mesmerize me, like, some of us have to gravitate towards them thing there.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.